Are you running out of storage space for your photos and videos as well? In this video, I'll show you how to repurpose your old phones to get unlimited Google Photos backup and use all your current primary devices for backing up to Google Photos. Hi guys, this is Orko and let's get straight into it. What will happen using this method is on all your devices except the custom ROM one, the pictures you click will get uploaded to your secondary Google account, from where it will be shared at partner sharing to your primary account and then saved automatically, as the main and primary account is set as the uploading account in your phone with custom ROM. All the pictures will be uploaded without taking up any storage. After your secondary account's 15 GB gets filled up with all the images, delete those images as this will be saved on the primary account as well. The advantage of this method is you only need one phone to get unlimited storage on all your other devices, no matter the number or brand. Example, you can get unlimited Google Photo storage on your Galaxy S23 Ultra on stock ROM via your old Poco F1 on custom ROM. After setting this up, even if you keep your secondary device switched off or keep it somewhere locked, it doesn't matter. You will continue to get unlimited storage as Google has registered your accounts being in a phone with unlimited storage. Let's get into the methods. Make another secondary Google account. Log in with both main and secondary Google accounts within Google Photos in all the devices you want the unlimited photo storage you want. In the phone with custom ROM, set your main account as your primary photo uploading account. On your other devices, select the secondary account as your uploading account in Google Photos. Then go to Partner Sharing option in the upper right corner of Google Photos main screen. There, add your main Google account as the partner sharing account and select all photos automatically. Then go back to your custom ROM phone and go to partner sharing in the Google Photos app. Accept the invitation and select save all photos automatically. Hope you are able to follow these steps and able to unlock unlimited Google Photo storage on your devices. Thanks a lot for watching. Drop a like if you found this video useful. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more such videos in the future. With that being said, this is Acer Ninja and I'll see you in the next one.